US, Germany, and UK indices all have traded bearish yesterday and now on the path of recovery. So, can we expect the indices to bounce back today? Can we expect some greener candle today, or it is still further going to trade bearish? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the DAX, the UK 100, that is FTSE 100, and Nasdaq and Dow? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session and before the major news in US. Do watch that as well. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Let's start. And yes, if you're not joined the YouTube channel membership, do join the channel membership. First, look at the hourly charts here. Yes, it is still delivering lower highs, lower lows. We have to wait for it to break beyond 17,750, 760 zone. This is going to be the resistance it needs to break, because beyond that, it is going to hit 17,800 plus levels. Any point of time, DAX staying above 17,800 should be a sign of reversal. Right now, I can see it is still trading in this bearish channel. Thus, very important for it to stay above 17,740, 760. The stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at on the 2-hour charts, likewise, it is under retracement as of now. Yes, same lower lows, lower highs. We have to wait for it to break beyond 17,750, 760 in order to stay bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over here for a buy. It is divergent, it is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is flat. On the 3-hour, now one must note on the 3-hour charts, the rise, the retracement, this was the retracement, and a breakout here above 17,760 should be considered for a very good buy towards 17,800, and then beyond that it can in fact scale towards 17,900 as well. Now see, it has achieved the 50 and 20 period moving average and now trying to reverse. Thus this reversal can be strong enough as well. Accordingly, take your positions. Now this is the zone, that is 17,800. This is something you should watch out for. Only bullishness today is if you see DAX staying above 17,800. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge, RSI rising. Coming to 4-hour, similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Double bullish candle, flat top is what we had seen on the 4-hour charts. Now the next candle is what we have to wait. In fact, 17,740 itself you can buy, but then 17,760, 740 is going to play a major role. And then 1800. Also, one must note the rise, the retracement, and the breakout here can be stronger one. Stochastic rising here, MACD is trying to converge, RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. The preceding candle was a swing candle. It has closed on a doji, and now one must note lower highs. Thus, only and only if, remember, only and only if it breaks beyond 17,800, you should treat this as a reversal. Else, right now it is forming lower highs, and once it stays below 17,670, you can say now it is reversing, and then you can look forward to 17,600, 580 as the next targets, which is also an achievable level. So in sum, it appears 17,760 to 17,600 or 580 should be the resistance zone. And also remember, it is trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period. It can converge. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI overbought. Considering this, buying entry at 17,740, 760 zone can be taken, but remember, it is still not to be treated bullish as long as 17,800 is not breached. Only buying entry, only bullishness today in DAX is above 17,800. As long as 17,800 is there, you have to strictly trail your stop losses. I do not see it happening though, that it is going to rise beyond 17,800, but still you have to be cautious. These are markets. So buy at 17,740, 760 zone. On the downside, a selling entry at 17,670 can be taken, and we can look forward to 17,640, 17,600, 580 as the next target. 17,600, 580 definitely going to play a major resistance role on the downside. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at UK 100. After showing the sharp dip towards 7,600, it is now on the retracement journey, and it is trying to stay within the zone. Thus, it is very important for UK 100 to trade above 7,660, 7,665 zone. Beyond this, we can look forward to a rise towards 7,680. Any rise above 7,680 is a confirmation of a reversal. Also on the downside, you will find it is getting support here at 7,640, 7,630 zone. Thus, staying below 7,630, one should stay bearish. But let's have a further detail look. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI rising. Coming to look at 2-hour charts here. Yes, we can see it rising here, higher highs, higher lows. Thus, the point here at 7,665 is going to play a major role. It is going to be a good resistance as well. And any move above that, any move above 7,680 should be considered that as a reversal sign. Also look at the double bottom level here. Now see, double bottom, drop, retracement, drop, and it could retrace towards 7700. So on the 2 hour chart, 7600 has become a greater support. So if you see it is staying below 7635, you can sell again and expect it to move towards 7620, 7600 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour charts, likewise on the 3 hour charts, forming a base, it is trying to deliver higher highs here, and possibly because we have seen it creating a double bottom here, thus chances of a rise also exist strong here. So this is something you should watch out for. Stochastic overbought trying to come out of the overbought zone. MACD is divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards. It can try to rise. RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour chart. Likewise on the 4 hour charts, look at the two candles closed at the top. But one must notice, see this candle, it is closed at the bottom, reversal or retracement here, and the drop from here can again be sharper enough. So right now it is at a junction where it has to decide the direction it wants to take. Any move above 7665 is a sign of reversal where you can look forward to 7680 plus levels. The stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over trying to trade with divergence. See, this is a bullish sign here, but it has to give a breakout. RSI flat. Coming to daily chart. Now look at daily charts here. Candle has started in green. It can deliver lower highs here. Lower highs means 7660 definitely going to play a major role. So 7660, 65 is the zone above which certainly we can expect a further rise towards 7680, 85 zone. Anyways, the bullish confirmation is only and only if you see FTSE 100 is staying above 7700. That is the only point of time you can say it has reversed after, and it is giving a breakout out of this flag formation. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 7665. Expect it to move towards 7680, 7685. First target 7700. Second, chances of which appears to be, but yes, if it breaks above 7700, consider that as a reversal and a breakout. On the downside, a selling entry at 7635 can be taken, but then 7630, 7635.30, very good support, then 7615, 7620, and then I will look forward to 7600. See, very nearby supports here for FTSE 100. As long as 7600 is there, below 7600 is where the bears will take over towards 7580 and 7550 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq 100 on the hourly charts. After the sharp drop towards 17,800, now it is on the recovery journey. It is on the retracement path. The journey towards 18,000 can be completed here. 17,990 is 18,000. Rather, I will say 17,980, 18,000 is an achievable level, and it is a greater resistance as well. What is happening here? You can see rise, retracement, again the rise, but it is not yet willing to break beyond 17,960, 980. So very strong resistance is there. The stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. On the 2 hour charts, likewise, similar observation. I will wait for it to break out and then it will try to rise towards 18,000. And in fact, we can see it rising further towards 18,080. See, it is delivering lower highs and lower lows. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts. A reversal sign, you can treat this as what will happen here after the reversal sign. It may try to complete this wine glass in like this formation, which means it has a potential to rise towards 18,000. 50, 80 levels. Possibility is there. As long as 7,900 is respected, possibility of a rise exists here in Nasdaq 100. Thus, you can buy in fact here at 17,960 levels and expect. See, 17,960 if you're buying, remember 17,980, 18,000 is the zone, first resistance, and then 18,050, 18,085 as the next resistance will come into picture. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour chart, similar observation. Only thing is that the bullishness getting diminished with the candle. It needs to give a breakout on the upside in order to confirm further rise. Also, one must notice, see this 17,800. Why 17,800? I have told yesterday also that 17,800 indeed is a great support. It has completed its journey there. And now 18,000, 18,020 is going to be a good resistance as well. The stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD is extremely bearish, RSI is almost flat. Coming to daily charts, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. Equip yourself with the tools, strategies, and the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. Reach out to me via email or Telegram for more details or any of your queries related to the services. You can also join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and also those who asked me to recommend a broker which is available globally, which is regulated, which is safe, secure, and yes, which offers a swap free account with lowest spreads. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, the move is very simple. US100 is again coming back to take the support from the 20 period moving average. It is, look at the formation here, it has again come to take the support here. Taking the support, now it is trying to retrace a little. On the upside, yes, it can retrace further something 18,000, very very good resistance, 18,000, 18,020. Then in fact it can try to move towards 18,080, 18,100 levels today. And remember, this is still not to be treated for a reversal. Stochastic has dropped, has crossed over. See, this is important because even if it tries to retrace, we can again see it reversing and trading bearish, because MACD has just crossed over and it is just one candle away. So possibly today we can see a second candle. Now on the downside, see this 17,900 is the support level, 17,900 and 17,880. If these two levels are taken, you can say now Nasdaq 100 is turning bearish. You can look forward to 17,800 levels again, which is definitely going to play a major role today. And below 17,800 is where the bears will take over towards 17,750 and 17,700 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 has yesterday shown a massive move towards 38,450, and now it is trading sideways, not willing to break either which ways. Yes, if you see it is staying above 38,600, you can buy and expect it to move towards 38,600, 680 zone, first target, and then we can in fact look at 38,800. Now 38,800, which was the support earlier, is going to be the resistance for US100 on the US30 on the upside. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to cross over for a buying entry here. A rise here can bring bulls here. RSI is also oversold. It can come out of the oversold zone with a little rise. Coming to 2-hour charts, trading sideways as of now. Very very important for US30 to break beyond 38,600 in order to move towards 38,660, 680, and then 38,800 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is still oversold. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, you can see similar observation. The preceding candle or the drop candles were outside Bollinger Bands. It is just waiting for the bands to expand. And a rise above 38,600 certainly should be a sign that you can stay bullish, or you can expect a retracement. Stochastic at the bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation here on the 4-hour charts as well. We have to now wait. Stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is flat at bottom. Coming to daily chart. Now look at daily charts, what it has done. It is, see, the bullishness that got diminished, it has breached the 20 period moving average, and now possibly it may try to aspire to achieve that 50 or 50 period moving average as well, which is right now sitting at around 38,300. Now this is important because see, if it breaks below 38,400 levels, certainly it will definitely eat another 100 to 200 points, taking it till towards 38,300, 200 zone. Now remember, this is a great or stronger fall, and thus a recovery can be also there, which can take it till towards 38,800 plus levels. So very simple, you can buy here at 38,600 levels and expect it to move towards 38,660, 680 as the first target, 38,750 and 800 as the next targets. Beyond 800, it is a reversal and it can try to add more points to it. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 38,540 levels. Below 38,540, you can look forward to 38,500, 38,450, and then 38,400. See, as long as 38,400 is there, 50 points trailing, and below 38,400, we can look forward to 38,300 and 200 as the two targets which are definitely achievable. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, webinar series, Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the next update before the US session as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. What that update is. Thank you.